Hi everybody and welcome back. In this delightfully short lecture we're going to be looking at how to count the number of items within one of your lists. So as you can see here, I have started off with a list, birthday days from our last lecture, and what I'm going to do is just add in some quick comments. So I'm going to add in today's date, 25th of October 2016, and just let me space that out so it's nice and clean. Next, myself as the author, and then the name of this program, how to find the length of a list. Okay, perfect. So we have our list here, which I took from our last lecture. You can do the same, and I'm just going to add in a comment. List of days of the week. Probably unnecessary as it's very, very obvious what this is, but nonetheless, I'll just do it because I like putting comments in for clarity. Now, we mentioned earlier that when dealing with lists, you can be dealing with hundreds, thousands, if not millions of items. So it's handy of Python to provide us with a way of quickly and easily finding the length of a list by using the length function, which looks like this. Perfect. As we get more and more friends and add their birthday months to our list, it would be handy to know how many elements are in it. So how do we apply the length function to our list? Well, let's have a look. We start off with a simple print statement. Print, open and close brackets, len. We then open brackets and pass it the name of the list we want to count. So in this case, it's birthday days. There we go. Make sure you have two closing brackets here. And let's print that. And there you have it. Bottom left hand side, 5. So there are 5 days of the week in our list. Okay, so let's add in the weekend days, Saturday and Sunday. And I've left out the opening single quote, and I'll just close that. There we go, comment to separate it out, and Sunday. Perfect. Let's run our program again. There we go, 7. A nice, quick, easy lecture on how to find the number of elements in any list. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.